The way to heal trauma, in essence, is feel it to heal it. But the problem with trying to feel it to heal it, especially when it comes to really traumatic events or sexual trauma that has happened, is that sometimes our body doesn't have the resources or the resiliency in our nervous system to actually feel that thing and then rejoin the body afterwards efficiently. There is probably a muscle that you need to build in terms of just creating safety for your body. How are we supposed to go and feel the hardest feelings and feel our deepest fear if our body is already living at a baseline of I don't feel safe in this world? Oftentimes, for so many of us, trauma healing isn't actually about running into the dark with a knife in our teeth ready to fight our demons. Like, there's this mechanism inside of so many of us that is like, if I let my guard down, even for a minute, it might happen again. Even though I'm at home and everything is safe and I'm in the bath, if I stop thinking these stressful thoughts or if I stop feeling this stressful feeling, then something might happen. There's this feeling that we have to keep orienting to the alarm bells in every thought, in every feeling, in every environment. There's this an inability to just let our guards down. And so if that is where we are, we're not going to be able to do trauma healing very effectively, because in order to heal trauma, we need to add safety into the feelings that are there, to the triggers that are there, to the memories that are there. So we need to get good at feeling safe.